Garnier Micellar Rose Water and save £5 with every 20 spent across selected beauty brands, only at Boots.
As the boss of Betfred for the last 50 years, our philosophy has always been bet your pocket, be gamble aware and keep it fun. If you feel you have a problem with gambling, please contact the helpline on 08 08 80 20 133. Don't be afraid to ask. Alternatively, you can go online and click onto begambleaware.org for advice. And remember, bet your pocket, keep it fun, and please gamble responsibly.
From high up in the Peruvian Andes comes Café Direct Machu Picchu. High quality coffee beans with a higher purpose. We share our profits equally with the growers. Café Direct Machu Picchu. Ridiculously good coffee.
Ah, the bubbling brooks, restful rivers and soft tranquil seas of the UK. You've been given a new art practically.
I'll show you my scar.
Perfect for all friends fighting heart disease with some peaceful fishing.
You are not married, that boy.
Good stance. That's good.
Thank you. Can you remember the first time you set eyes on me, Paul?
We're two lifelong friends. Lots of laughs.
This has nothing to do with fishing, is it?
And an embarrassingly small amount of fish. Mortimer and Whitehouse, gone fishing. Catch up now on UK TV Play.
Now one day it's time to see rural life in a whole different way on This Country. And viewers are advised the show does contain some strong language.